The pushdown is one spring in the middle. Stand in front of your chair and step the length of one of your feet back from the bottom of the chair with your feet parallel and together. Lift tall and then round forward to the pedal without letting your bottom drift backwards. Imagine there's wet paint right behind you. With straight arms, press the pedal down and hold, then bend your elbows to pump 3, 2, 1. Straighten your arms and resist the spring back up. Keep going for 3 sets. This exercise is all about rotating your pelvis to keep your hips over your heels. So as you're pumping, if you notice your bottom starting to stick out into the wet paint, rotate your pubic bone forward and your sit bones down. The goal is not how low you go, it's coordination of your entire body and dynamic stabilization of your pelvis.